Jackie with WTI, and I have to share with you this white button-down shirt dress swimsuit cover-up that I wore in Florida. I love so many things about this. I love the fabric. It's really thin and cool, but it has a little texture to it, you can see. So it just looks really nice. I like the buttons. I like the pockets. The sleeves are shorter. They're like 3/4 length sleeves. You can roll them up easily, and they look really cute like that. And for over a swimsuit, it was just perfect. I wore it constantly in Florida over my swimsuit. I like how long it goes in the back. So you've got major coverage in the back. You can wear it over leggings. I wore it on the plane down to Florida over leggings. You can tie it up and make it like a top and just wear it with jeans if you want. So versatile. I just really like this, and I think it's so chic and adorable too. So just like that. Oh, you can do that. So easy to just throw this on. So it's really great for going on trips like vacation to the beach, because you can use it, like I said, on the plane, on the beach, hanging out, and it washes really well. I washed it obviously after my trip to Florida and just did perfect, no shrinkage, nothing. So highly recommend this beautiful top, but that's just my point of view.